Hey, welcome back to the channel. Boy, don't I have a treat for everybody. I got a treat for this video. This is going to be an update video, but what's coming in the coming weeks, we are going to be diving into version 3 of 3dFalcon's cockpit that just been released by 3dFalcon. And I want to make a full thank you right here on the channel, let everybody know this whole kit was donated by 3dFalcon to me to demonstrate on my channel. They're not asking for any one way or another, Paul. Gus is asking for any type of positive or negative review, and I'm going to give it my review and demonstration. But I can tell you from what I see and what I'm going to show you, I'm like a kid in a candy store. This is it. This is the product that I know I'm using in my Falcon. That this is. Jack's going to be happy with this. This is it. I did version 2. I was happy with that. But version 3, I mean, I can just say, oh, it's like when you're building a model kit and somebody comes up with all the answers to the headaches. That's what Gus has done. The cockpit's lighting up and illuminating of the cockpit, making it look realistic. That's what this is going to be. I saw it on the channel, his already build of it. I fell in love with it from the time I saw it. And it was real nice of him to recognize, my channel and myself and send it to me. I'm really thank you, Gus. It's so, without me rambling, let me do the unboxing so y'all can see exactly what you get and what comes in the kit. Okay, so this is the unboxing of what, like I said, what Gus sent over for me to demonstrate on my channel. And I really appreciate that again. Thank you, Gus. And as y'all know, I've already done version 2 on the channel. And this will be version 3. But I tell you, version 3 is top notch. This is the one. This is the one that's going in the Falcon. This is it. This is, I mean, the engineering behind what Gus did here is absolutely amazing. This is right up there with what Mike Lane did to the Batmobile. Is what Gus has done to the Falcon with his engineering is just absolutely amazing. He has we're now going to get the top slit up. We don't have to run those fibers to make the top slit up. The decal is going to look good. It's got the paragraphics cut out. He's not finished there. Even the back console. The back console's got a special LED board that's going to go in here. This is going to be, oh my goodness, like a kid in a toy shop. Oh, this is, boy, and then look at this. If this wasn't enough, and this would have been just great, the front of the cockpit. That's right, the front of it. It's got its own paragraphics and its own LED board. And the best part about this, you can even run it on the standard stock board that comes with the Falcon, or you can use what I'm using is the his board that he came out with, the that master board, the senior moment. But anyhow, it's the it's 3dFalcon's board, that the Bluetooth board, the one with the phone app. So when I'm going to be doing this on the channel, I got my ports in for the hold, but I'm going to that I got from and I'm going to be doing this later on the channel for the underport, for the in the hold area for the pit. Anyhow, but I'm going to hold off on that. We're going to start this build this week coming, and then we will move back to the hold because I'm just super duper excited. And yeah, he also gives us those stickers for the paragraphics. So that's nice. Yeah, here they are. I was about to say if I lost these, I'm going to start crying. Here's those stickers again. Those go on the paragraphics, and keep those safe. Don't spill no water on those there. And the directions are great. These directions are simple, and you can follow these. We're going to be doing this. I'm going to start on it this week, and I'll be uploading it. I hope to get it done in one shot, but I got a lot of custom painting that I'm going to have to do. I explain about that. First of all, everything came really packed real nice. I'm going to undo all of this. I got to paint this, start off by painting. And that's another thing. I don't have to do any extra work or sanding on the cone piece. People have asked me, I had someone ask on Facebook if there has to be any modifications done to the actual stock parts. No, this will fit. In fact, not only will it, because I did version 2, it fits in there like a leather glove. There's no fighting with it. I mean, this goes straight into that the standard cockpit, no problem whatsoever. So that's good, because that darn stock piece. Yeah, well, y'all saw the video with the fiber. I had to do some modifications. So we're going to go ahead with to paint this. We're going to put some painted black on the inside for light blocking. I'm going to have to do some of that work. And this is just, it doesn't matter. I mean, it's all worth it. This is really, really nice. I just cannot. And it also what comes with it too is the figures. Yeah, I want to show you the figures come with it too. The set of figures here that can be painted up. My wife's gonna really get me, because now on this one you get Obi-Wan Kenobi too. So this, I'm gonna send her back, and you get my C-3PO, you get Princess Leia, Luke. Yeah, you get all of those. This is really nice. So and they can put them in different areas of the cockpit and the hold. So I'm really happy about that. I'm going to be painting that up. My wife's an artist, and she's got my hands started to anyhow. I don't have that. I'll let her paint them. Anyhow, yeah, just looking at this, and I thank Gus so much for sending this over to me free of charge. And he didn't ask anything. He just asked me to show it on my channel and to do a review of it, and I'm going to give it my honest review. But I'm telling you, I am super psyched, because I did version 2. I've got all of Gus's mods. I got the all the holds. I bought the I'm going to also be revisiting the cockpit. This is the cockpit, you nitwit. We're going to be revisiting the corridors, because I bought those lights too. The corridors light up. I'm going to be redoing those that I had fiber in there, but now I'm going to switch it off with these, because it's just going to give me a lot of room to do the build on the inside. And yeah, it's look, if you look, to me, this is the way I look at it. If you're looking at the cost of this in version 2, in the control boards, all of that does cost, extra money. There's no doubt. It's not cheap. But the engineering, folks, it's this engineering, just like with Mike Lane stuff that you're paying for. There is no way in the good Lord's earth I could do this. This circuit board and all of this that comes with this to light up the model, that is basically what we're paying for. In fact, I donated towards his cause without him even asking me. I'm not going to disclose how much, but he sent this to me for free. But I believe in his work so much that I wanted to donate back towards his cause, because this is time. This is a lot of time that Gus put into this, and he didn't have to share it with us. Could have just did it for his models, displayed it. We'd all been like, wow, how do you do that? But he went out of his way to share it. And every time he does, he's got to build one of these circuit boards. So that's why it takes so long. And yeah, I'm just really, really happy about all this. And it comes with everything you need. Here's the sticker for that part. So we're going to be starting the build with this. We're going to take a break from all the other builds I'm doing, and we're just going to focus on version 3 of the cockpit. And we're going to be uploading them each week until it's done. And I'll let you know next week how far I get, because, well, You know, like everything else in life. You gotta have nothing but a bunch of headaches and problems and interruptions in life. This stuff I gotta pay attention to. This is the, let me switch over to the other camera. This is the cream of the crop. It's like, when you're fooling around with this stuff, you gotta have time. No interruptions. Nobody come running through to aggravate you. I can't wait to be like World of Wayne and get my shop built outside. This is like Dinner 101. I put on my lights for the actor. Well, anyhow, thank you again, Gus. Hats up, but I then got my hat on. I took it off when I went to go show y'all that. Yeah, I got that. Yeah, gotta have my famous hat on. Hats off to you there, Gus. Thank you again, buddy. And the Paul with Pop paragraph is gonna give it to you too. Engineering ingenuity here with your Falcon 3. Your parts there, paragraphics. I got a lot of Paul's paragraphics. Yeah, that takes work too. So thank you, sir. Thank y'all for all you do for the model building. And I'm going to put at the end of this video the instruction video for this that was done by 3dFalcon, in case you want to go ahead, look at it, and then you can come back and just see what a wonderful job I did and how I done it. And I've done a lot of these, and it's still in progress. It's me and those stickers, anyhow. Ooh, I have to fool with them. Thank you for watching. That's what's coming to the channel in the coming weeks. It's going to be Falcon Cockpit Weeks. I hope you join me. If you haven't subscribed, I actually do so. Leave a comment or two. And don't forget to hit that like button, because believe it or not, it does. It helps the algorithm show this. And then, hey, share this channel with other people who are interested in model building. I appreciate it. And I'd like to say hi to some special friends out there. Hey, PJ Cooper, Mark Smods, and World of Wayne. Aligning the stars. Hello, I haven't forgotten about you guys. The Nexus. I will be back. I just had a lot of distractions lately. I'll be paying attention to y'all's live feeds as soon as this cloud gets off over my family and everything we're going through. Yeah, it's rough. But by the grace of God go I. Thank you for watching. And hey, may that good news be yours. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching, and may the good news be yours. Check out these other videos from my channel.